Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to create a splash screen animation in Figma. First, make a screen and fill it with a color. Copy the screen to create the second screen. Select the ellipse tool to draw a simple circle. We're making a logo for animation. Write text inside the circle. Now, draw a line from the circle to the bottom of the screen. Align the line to the center of the screen. Create a third screen and write on it, like home page or whatever you want. Start a prototype by linking the first screen to the second screen. In the prototype settings, remove on click and set it to after delay of 2 seconds. Change instant to move out and set the direction to bottom. Change ease out to slow with a duration of 600 ms. Next, link the second screen to the third screen. Go to prototype settings and change on click to after delay of 50 ms. Change move out to push up. Set slow to linear with a duration of 1500 ms. Now, play the prototype to test the animation of the splash screen. That's how you create a splash screen animation in Figma. Thanks for watching. This video is part of a playlist with more Figma tips. Check out the full web page design tutorial in the description below.